Welcome back. Last lesson you learned about lists, which store ordered collections of items. Today we are going to look at dictionaries. Dictionaries store data as key value pairs. Think of it like a real dictionary. You look up a word, and you get its definition back. In Python, instead of words and definitions, you can store any label with any value. A dictionary is perfect when your data has meaningful labels. Instead of remembering that index 0 is the name and index 2 is the city, you just say person, name, or person, city. Much more readable. Much easier to work with. Let's look at the code. A dictionary is created with curly braces. Each entry has a key and a value, separated by a colon. Keys are usually strings. Values can be anything: strings, numbers, lists, even other dictionaries. Here we have a person dictionary with 3 entries. To access a value, use the key in square brackets. Person, name, gives you Alice. You can also use .get, it works the same way, but it returns none instead of crashing if the key does not exist. Now look at adding and updating values. You can add a brand new key just by assigning to it. And you can update an existing key the same way. Now look at the loop. Person.items gives you each key and value pair together in a tuple. This is how you loop through every entry in a dictionary. Scroll down to the nested dictionary. You can have a dictionary inside another dictionary. Students, Alice score, drills down 2 levels to get Alice's score of 95. Nested dictionaries are very common when working with real data. Look at the prices example at the bottom. Dictionaries are perfect for menus, product catalogs, configurations, any data where each item has a label. Here is your challenge. Pause the video. Create a dictionary for a book with at least 4 fields: title, author, year, and genre. Loop through it and print each field on its own line. See you in Lesson 10, the final lesson.